Hi, my name is Sarah Bleacher. I just currently graduated from college and just recently took the 7-day comprehensive success system. So I actually took the test that I was studying for a couple times and didn't pass. Got a lot of books from Amazon, and they just weren't helping me at all. Went through the test multiple times. And then I came across the 7-day success system, and I the questions on there were completely different than previous ones that I've actually been studying, and they were actually a lot more helpful. The way that they're worded is very similar to the way that the actual test that I had to take was, and there was actually a lot of questions on there that were on the test. They also give an explanation of the test answers, so it tells you why A is correct and why B, C, and D aren't, which I thought was very helpful as well. One of my issues and fears that test prepping was basically, is this material I really need, or am I just wasting my time? Because I've taken the test multiple times with read different books over and over again, spent multiple hours studying, and nothing seemed to help until I did the 7-day success system. What is great is it gives you 7 days of what you really need to study. And like I said, the questions, the actual test questions, practice questions that they give you is things that you're gonna need. And some of them come straight from the test or very similar to the test. So I would definitely recommend taking the 7-day success system, because it helped me and I actually passed. Right after I did that system, I went into the test the next couple of days and passed. So I would definitely recommend it to anyone.